So guys, first method, totally close the all applications and restart your system. Second method, check for Windows update. So how to update? Click to start and then click to setting. Go to Windows security and click Windows update. Click check for update and install any pending update. Okay, this is second method. Then third, right click to start and click on task manager. Go to disable setup program. Okay, select which is not required, so you can disable it. Unnecessary program you can select and disable, right? Okay, then disable it. Disable means is not show in the taskbar here. Okay, like this. Microsoft email is not required, you can close this. Okay, disables means is not properly disable from your system, just it not show in the taskbar. Okay, you can, if you can search on team, it will be open it. Okay, close it. Then next, free up disk. Okay, disk cleanup. So click to start and type disk cleanup to open this. And same it is, first one, download program, temporary internet and DirectX, temporary files and DirectX, and then click to clean the system and then okay. Okay, then next, update the driver. Right click to device and go to device manager, extract display adapters. Okay, and then right click to update driver, search automatically. Okay, and then when it is installed, I already installed, data is showing here, and then it will close it. Then next, network, and this one 100 mbps, then update driver and then close it. So next, run disk cleanup. So disk cleanup is useful when your system lock and space the critical cache files such as Windows update cache file in the case corrupted or bugs for this. Okay, so click to start and type disk cleanup. Okay, and run as administrator. Okay, so open this, select download program file, temporary internet file. Okay, scroll down, find out Microsoft Defenders, this one, check, and direct sender cache, this one. Okay, and uncheck to temporary file. If you select this one, so automatically clean your recycle bin. Okay, if your data, you can uncheck it and then okay, and then Now this is cleaning. Windows update cleanup. So it will take some time. Okay, so it will complete it after you restart your system. Okay, thank you. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.